Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by powering both units and staying close so settings apply immediately. Once both screens are active, make sure you're viewing the live feed on the parent monitor. This lets you see changes in real time. Next, navigate to the main menu, usually by pressing Menu or OK. You need the menu open to access display options. This initial setup is important because turning off night mode requires live feedback, so errors are obvious and reversible. Now you'll move through the menu to the display or video settings. Press Menu, then Settings, then Display or Video. Once there, find Night Mode, or Infrared. Vtech labels vary across models. Use the arrow keys to highlight the setting, then press OK or Enter to toggle it off. You're doing this to stop the infrared LEDs from forcing monochrome, which restores color or reduces the bright glow. Keep an eye on the live feed so you can verify the change immediately. Finish by returning to the live view and confirming the scene looks normal, color returns, or the bright IR speckle stops. If nothing changes, power cycle both parent and baby units, then repeat the toggle. Firmware quirks can block the first attempt. If it still won't disable, check for a specific IR or night mode hardware switch on the camera and consult the model's settings for firmware updates. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, but make sure you back up or note presets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.